Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
And our today's grammar is about how much and how many. How much چه مقدار and how many چند تا یا چه تعداد. How much is used with uncountable nouns to ask about quantity. How much با اسامی غیر قابل شمارش استفاده میشه برای پرسیدن مقدار. For example, how much water do you drink? How much water do you drink? یعنی چه مقدار آب شما می نوشید؟ How much money did you pay? How much rice did you cook? How much sugar do you need? How much juice do you drink? See, in all these examples, how much is followed by an uncountable noun. یک اسم غیر قابل شمارش بعد از how much. How many? چند تا یا چه تعداد. How many is used with countable nouns to ask about number. How many با اسامی قابل شمارش استفاده میشه برای پرسیدن تعداد چیزی. For example, how many books do you have? چند تا کتاب داری؟ You might say, I have 10 books, شاید بگی 10 book, 20 books, 100 books. How many pens do you need? How many students are in the class? How many cars are there? How many chairs do we need? This brings us to the end of our session for today. دانش آموزان عزیز به یاد داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.